Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best paper deals at Walgreens for the week of August the 23rd to the 29th, including some paper down to $2.49. So hopefully that has your attention. So the first deal we're going to do is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. So this first deal is like the best of two worlds. That's the deal we're going to call it. And it includes four of these Scott's paper products. You can either go with the toilet paper or alternatively a mix of the paper towel or toilet paper, paper towel, whatever you want to do. Four of them is exactly $15 or buy one, get one 50% off. $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy four of them. I'm going to toss into the mix two of the Walgreens brand toilet papers as well for $10. We have $1.50 off, taking $3 off of this transaction. So just to show you the magic here, the $1.50 coupon times 2 is $3 off. And then we're using the code WAG10 for an additional 70 cents off. So that is not bad. Overall total here is $25, subtracting $3.70. A little bit of tax. If you want to use up to $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $2.58 and you're getting $2.65 back for purchasing the four Scott products. So not bad. If you have $20 of Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket, why not? Yes, you can absolutely do this deal in store as well if you want to do it that way. But I know a lot of you prefer to do it curbside because of that little 70 cents. It's just a little bit more control. So whichever way you want to do it, you can either do this in store or you can do it curbside. If you have register rewards, again, that's burning a hole in your pocket, this would be a really good deal to sink those register rewards into to get something out of it. And a lot of us are stocking up on paper right now. I just think it's a really smart thing to be buying for your stockpile and for your household. The next deal we're looking at is some cheap paper towels. It is the Bounty Essential 2 counts for $3.49. Unfortunately, we don't have a digital coupon to go with, but if you might have like the $5 from the Colgate deal, the register reward, or the $4 OGX, I mean, I would definitely throw either one of those into it. $2 register reward when you buy two. So grabbing two of these friends, it's going to be $6.98. You're getting back that $2 register reward for buying two. Don't forget to listen. Is the machine on? Ask the cashier, hey, is that thing printing today? They will be able to tell you definitively yes or no. It's $4.98 for the two or $2.49 per pack. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but let's be real, unless you're working with a paper booster, most of us did not get a digital booster this week. Another Charmin deal that we have is on the Bounty Essentials and the yellow pack 6 equals 24 of the megas for the toilet paper. Both of them are $4.99. And again, my wonderful cell phone took the most clear photos of the tags. They're completely blurred, so I'm going to have to go off the ad again. For both of these products, we have dollar digital coupons as well. That's why we need one paper towel and one toilet paper by Charmin Essential. It's a lower tier brand from their the Bounty or the blue packaging of the Charmin. $3 reward when you buy two, $4.99, and there's $1 off for the paper towel and $1 off for the toilet paper. Here it is, class. Grabbing one of each, a paper towel and a toilet paper. That is $9.98. Subtracting $2 digital coupons. Hopefully you have the same ones as I. You're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the two or $2.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you might have like a register reward, say from Colgate or Tresemme, from other deals, and you want to sink it into this to get some, use a register reward to get another one. As long as it's not on the same promotion, a second one will print, even though it's a different promotion. One of the many rules of Walgreens. So yeah, that I would definitely roll it. Say you were doing Colgate into this deal to get another $3 register reward. Why not? Now we're looking at the Angel Soft. This is on a promotion this week that when you buy three, you get back I believe, a $3 register reward, and we have a $1.50 digital coupon off of this product. 3 for 3. And the third one will ring up for $4.50. So if you were wondering, it's not going to be $4.99. It's going to be the sales price. So load that $1.50 digital coupon, and that is a new one this week. And here is our friend, in case you're like, what does that look like? Here it is. Probably if you look for it in the app, you can just load it. Just press the plus sign right below the item. So grabbing 3 of these friends, it's going to be $13.50. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 9 for 3 or $3 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you are really have limited space in your stockpile, or if you have everything in a closet, this really can, you can store these with not a lot of room because they are such smaller packaging. And it's one of these products that it doesn't look like it's a lot, but if you flip it and look at the rolls, they are very hefty rolls. And we are an Angel Soft family here, so definitely I would stock up on this one. Back to school, probably already happening or just starting. We have these 4 counters of the Puffs. You're either a Puffs or a Kleenex family. These are $6.99 this week. We have a $2 digital, dropping that down to $4.99. I know a lot of you give very generously to your kids' schools to make sure that the teachers have extra. So I would definitely stock up, especially if you have the coupons on your card, or if you want to just do it for your kids' class, absolutely, why not? Now, this is not quite a deal this week with the register reward. We do have a $1 digital coupon attaching to these $9.99 packs. So if you wanted to use, so it would drop it down to $8.99 after the $1 digital. With this, it would be 99 cents for this big pack. And then if you might have other register rewards, if you wanted to use that $1 digital and then, I don't know, a $5 with, you can't exceed the cost of, you won't get overage on it. But if you wanted to grab something else, maybe some candy or something like that, it would be a smart buy. But it would be $8.99 for a 16 counter. And this is one item I would definitely be stocking up on for your household right now. I just think it's a really smart buy. Also, for those of you that like food storage bags, myself included, I always like these larger ones too. They are buy one at $2.79, get 2 for free. So it makes it 93 cents per box of 20, which is a really great price point. I don't even buy Ziploc anymore. Can't even be bothered. This is the only one we use in our household, and it is terrific. So if you have extra register rewards or Walgreens cash, I would definitely stock up. And I think some schools, back to school, they say sometimes Ziploc bags, that sort of things for different crafts and organizations for your kids. So I would definitely grab a couple for back to school lists. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.